In this video, we're going to look at how to collect like terms. Let's say we had two circles and one square. We could represent this as 2c plus s for one square. Now, if we added another circle and three squares, we could say this was c plus 3s. Now, collecting like terms, 2c and c are like terms. So we would do 2c plus c, which gives us 3c, as we can see, because there are 1, 2, 3 circles. And for s, we have s plus 3s, which gives us 4s. As we can see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 squares. So overall, we would have 2c plus s plus c plus 3s gives us 3c plus 4s.